So if you look on the back, now this is inside, behind it. Now you got the blade on the other side. So I removed the blade, I removed the cover, I removed the blade. So in order to remove this, you have to actually go to the back. And on the back, you will have screws. You will have a total of 4 screws that you can see right in there. Now, there are holes in this specific wheel, and this is where the belt goes in, right around it. Now, these little holes are to have access to the screws. Once you remove those 4 screws, you're able to pop this out. Now, this will not come out unless you also remove the motor. And the motor has this tiny little trick here. So let me remove the belt. Now, the motor has 2 screws, which are these 2, and they screw onto that. On the back, if you see this little slot there, now the motor has this bracket, and this thing here, you drop it into that slot there. Now, so once you drop it on there, the motor just locks in place there, and then you just hold it on this other end with those 2 screws. And that's about it. But before you put it back on, don't forget to always put your belt. So whenever you need to do a repair, there's not really too much to it. Remove the nut on this side, then remove the 4 screws on this side, well, including this one here. So this one releases this part to come out of the shaft, but you can just pull the whole thing. Once you remove this, it will come off. This will separate from the part out on the front, and you're ready to replace it. So pretty simple.